I'll be showing you how to make an exfoliating scalp scrub, and this scalp scrub will actually really help you if you're combating hair issues like maybe dandruff, itchy scalp and all. So welcome back to my YouTube channel here at Medics Formulation School. I share DIYs, I share tips, like just cosmetic tips, hair care tips, anything cosmetic formulation. Yeah, so to the business of the day, this is brown sugar. I'm using 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, right? And brown sugar is not the same thing as white sugar, so don't say you want to substitute that. Then this is cocoa powder. I'm going to be adding cocoa powder, then I'll just mix it before adding the liquid. So when you want to use the scalp scrub, you need to mix it with liquid, yeah. So you either mix it with oil or honey or both. And then this is I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. So I wanted to add 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil and then also the honey, 2 tablespoons, but I was like, let me use teaspoon and see how it comes out. And actually, it was actually too thick, as you will see now when I mix it. It was too thick. I did not like the consistency, so I had to add an extra spoon of oil. So I used avocado oil. You can use another oil of your choice or just use the coconut oil. So I added a tablespoon of avocado oil, and then I would mix it. And then when I mixed it this time around, I really loved the consistency. And then this scalp scrub is actually very effective. If you want to use it, just apply it to your scalp on wash day. Apply it to your scalp, leave it on for some minutes, like let's say 30 minutes. You can also massage your scalp while it's on your scalp, and then you wash off. And it's actually help to remove build-up on your scalp and things like that. So yeah, this is it, and I really love the consistency now, and it's actually very effective. So would you try this? To get the full recipe, then you should join my formulation community on Telegram. It's completely free. Just click the link on it in the description to join. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.